In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to equip and use your Steam Big Picture Mode themes. This will help you personalize your gaming experience and make navigating your favorite platform more enjoyable. We're diving right in, so let's get started with opening up Steam on your PC. Once you have Steam open, let's make sure you're logged into your account. This is important because your settings and themes are saved to your account, not just your local machine. Now, navigate to the top right corner of the Steam client. You'll see an icon there that looks like a rectangle with two arrows coming out of it. That's the button you need to click to enter Big Picture Mode. It might take a moment to load, but once it's up, you'll see a whole new interface that's designed to be visual and controller-friendly. Inside Big Picture Mode, you'll want to go over to the Settings area. You can find this by looking at the top right section of the screen and selecting the gear icon that's your settings menu. From here, we're going to scroll through the available options until you find Interface. Go ahead and click on that. You'll notice that within the interface settings, there is an option called Theme. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can browse through the various themes that Steam offers. These themes can completely change the look and feel of Steam's Big Picture Mode, providing various aesthetic options you can choose from, depending on your preferences. This is your chance to customize, so take your time to explore the ones that are available. Once you've found a theme that catches your eye, select it by clicking on it. Don't worry, you're not committed to your choice yet. You'll want to apply the theme to see it in action. To do this, look for an Apply or Set option, often found near the theme's description or at the bottom of the menu. Click on that, and your theme will become active, immediately altering the interface's appearance. It's a good idea to test out the theme for a bit before settling on it. Navigate around Big Picture Mode to see how the new design works with your games and settings. Check visibility, text readability, and enjoy the new vibe of your interface. If it doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to go back and choose a different theme. And there you have it, a new theme in Big Picture Mode for a personalized gaming feel. The process is simple and adds a touch of style to your gaming sessions. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to enhance your Steam experience. Until next time, happy gaming!